To export 4K quality video from your drone to your mobile. For that you need to go your DJI Fly. If you don't have the DJI Fly, just go to App Store, Play Store, then download the DJI Fly, open your DJI Fly apps and turn on your Bluetooth as well, turn on, and you have to turn on your drone as well. So all's to done. Now open these apps again, then here you can see the quick transfer. So you have to press on quick transfer, then you can see the drone, press on drone. Now it's connecting, press on join and make sure your SD card is insert with your drone as well. Now under DJI Mini 5 Pro you can see all of your file. For example, you want to download this video, then here you can see the download option, press on download, then full download or trimmed. You can crop your video as well. I want to download full, press on download, then you can see it's downloading. Now if you go back to your file, then you can see it's 720. That's mean you have to turn on your DJI RC as well. Now I turning on my DJI RC. Now if I go to your DJI apps again, and here you can see the switch option, press on switch. Now you have to rejoin again. Now here you can see connect with successfully. Now open video and same way go to this file, press on full download, then you can see it's downloading. Now let's check the file. If I go to the gallery, then this is the previous on, current on, and this is the previous on. So this is how you can easily download 4K. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up and please do subscribe. Have a good day.